If you've owned an E46 long enough, chances are the door card's coming off. Whether it's rattling, it's got broken clips, or that speaker that never works and you want to replace it, well, today I'll show you how to take it off properly without damaging anything. Let's get right into it. Right guys, here's a video on how to remove a door card from a E46. This is a later model. I think it's a 2005 or 2006 E46. It's a 318i M Sports. Yeah, this is the video on how to remove the door card. So there's 1, 2 behind the airbag badge, 3 here, 4 and 5 behind a plastic clip. So there's 5 T20 Torx screws that you got to take out before you start pulling this door card out. So remove those first and then I'll tell you what to do next. The next thing you want to do is pry up the wing mirror adjustment. Try and use pry tools where you can. I know it's using a screwdriver, but to protect your trim, just pry it up. So the best way to do it is to pry from this side and then pry from this side, because that's where the two metal clips there. Kind of want to push them in and just lift up. It should just pop out like that. Once it's out, just pull the cable out. It should just pop out like that, and you can just push that through then once the door card comes off. Right, the next thing we're going to do is to start pulling the clips off around the door card. Now, the best tool to use, I'd say, is something like this, where it just parts as it goes around, just because there are those clips that go around. So I'm just going to go around and pop all of those clips out now. I'm just going to go around. Once you've kind of popped a few, kind of start coming loose. That's the kind of sound you want to hear. You just want it to pop out. Just going to go around and carry on doing that. Right, once you've gone around and kind of pulled it loose, you'll feel it's kind of coming apart. So I'll show you what to do next. Right, once you've got it sort of loose like that, as much as possible. So the camera stopped recording there, but what you got to do is, once you've got all the clips pulled off from all the way around at the bottom, so you can see them here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in the middle. Once they've sort of popped out, then all you got to do is pull towards you and just tug it a little bit, and then once it sort of unlatches, just pull it over this door lock. Once you've got it out, then you've got this cable which literally just pops out. You just pull it from this side and it just pops out. And then you've got the cable, which is the mirror adjustment cable. Just pull that through, and then all you got to do is take out one speaker wire, and I'll show you on the door card where they go. The one speaker wire comes out here, and then the mirror adjustment, it literally comes through this hole, I believe. Yep, just pops through there. And then the door handle cable, that's this one. It's for the interior door handle. I literally just pulled it from this side and it pops straight out. So there you go. That's how you remove a door card from a E46. And it's just as simple as that. That's the driver side, and it's literally the same on the passenger side. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.